How well do you really know your UK road signs? Let's find out. In this video, we will break down 20 UK road signs and their meanings, focusing on the most important road signs for driving test preparation. From warning signs to motorway rules, we'll explain what each traffic sign means and test your knowledge along the way. Straight from the DVSA Highway Code, these are the exact signs the DVLA uses in your theory and driving exams. Stay tuned until the end for a quick quiz to challenge your UK road signs spotting skill. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated. Let's get started. The fire station ahead road sign warns drivers that a fire station is nearby and emergency vehicles may enter the road quickly. It emphasizes the need to be alert and ready to give way. It is often found in towns and cities across the UK. Recognizing this sign is important for the UK driving theory test and included in UK study guides. The DVLA highlights it for safe driving near emergency services. The motor vehicle's prohibited traffic sign indicates that cars, motorcycles, and other motor vehicles cannot use this road. This UK traffic sign helps drivers avoid restricted areas, often in pedestrian zones or parks. It is commonly seen in urban areas of the UK and is tested in the UK driving theory test. The DVSA Highway Code and DVLA both stress obeying these restrictions for safety and legal compliance. The Crossbuck road sign marks a level crossing without barriers or gates. This UK road sign warns drivers to slow down, look, and listen for trains. It is found at rural rail crossings and is essential for safety. Understanding this sign is included in the UK driving theory test and explained in UK study guides. The DVLA emphasizes caution to prevent collisions with trains. The overhead electrical wires traffic sign alerts drivers to high-voltage wires above the road. This UK road sign communicates that tall vehicles should take care or avoid the route. Found near industrial areas or bridges, it is a common question in the UK driving theory test. Both the DVSA Highway Code and DVLA highlight this sign to prevent accidents involving tall vehicles. The speed camera road sign warns drivers that a speed camera is monitoring traffic. This UK road sign encourages maintaining legal speeds and safe driving. It is often found on busy UK roads and motorways. Recognizing this sign is part of the UK driving theory test and included in UK study guides, with the DVLA stressing its role in enforcing speed limits. What is this road sign? A. Level crossing with gate ahead. B. Crossbuck. C. Level crossing without gates. The answer is B. Crossbuck sign. Before we proceed, we're aiming for 500 likes in the first 7 days. Do you think we can hit it? Your like helps this video reach more learners studying for their driving test. Identify this traffic sign. A. Motor vehicles except solo motorcycles. B. Motor vehicles prohibited. C. All vehicles prohibited except pedal cycles. The answer is B. Motor vehicles prohibited sign. Can you name this road sign? A. Fire station ahead sign. B. Ambulance station ahead. C. Light signals at a level crossing ahead. The answer is A. Fire station ahead sign. Can you spot the level crossing with gate ahead sign? Guess this traffic sign. A. Speed camera with 30 miles per hour limit reminder. B. Average speed check zone. C. Speed camera. The answer is C. Speed camera sign. What does this traffic sign mean? A. Electrified overhead cable. B. Overhead electrical wires. C. Electrified third rail ahead. The answer is B. Overhead electrical wires. How are you doing so far? Tell us your thoughts in the comments. Your feedback enables us help you in any way possible. The Riverbank or Quayside traffic sign warns drivers that the road runs close to water, and there is a risk of falling in. This UK road sign is found near rivers, canals, or docks. Understanding it is important for hazard awareness on UK roads and tested in the UK driving theory test. The DVSA Highway Code and DVLA advise drivers to slow down and stay alert near water edges. The low-flying aircraft road sign warns drivers of military or airport operations overhead. This UK traffic sign communicates the need to stay alert, as noise or sudden shadows may be distracting. It is found near airfields or military zones in the UK. Recognizing this sign is part of the UK driving theory test and included in UK study guides, with the DVLA highlighting driver awareness. The cattle road sign warns that livestock may be on or crossing the road ahead. This UK road sign communicates the need to slow down and be ready to stop. Common in rural UK areas, it is an important hazard for drivers. The UK driving theory test, UK study guides, and DVLA emphasize caution to prevent accidents with animals. The level crossing with gate ahead traffic sign alerts drivers to a railway crossing controlled by gates. This UK traffic sign communicates the need to slow down and stop when the gate is closed. It is found in rural or semi-urban areas of the UK and tested in the UK driving theory test. The DVSA Highway Code and DVLA advise careful approach to avoid train collisions. The height restriction road sign warns that vehicles taller than the indicated height must not proceed. This UK road sign is found under bridges, tunnels, or narrow underpasses. It is tested in the UK driving theory test and explained in UK study guides. The DVSA Highway Code and DVLA stress this road sign to prevent collisions and damage to vehicles or structures. Want to keep boosting your road sign knowledge? Hit subscribe and ring the bell. That way you'll never miss out when a new quiz drops. Name this road sign. A. Watercourse alongside road. B. Riverbank or quayside. C. Soft verges. The answer is B. Riverbank or quayside sign. Guess this traffic sign. A. Low-flying aircraft. B. Low-flying helicopters. C. Gliders likely. The answer is A. Low-flying aircraft sign. What does this traffic sign mean? A. Width restriction. B. Height restriction. C. Low bridge. The answer is B. Height restriction. Which road sign indicates that motor vehicles are prohibited in this area? Which road sign is this? A. Cattle grid. B. Sheep. C. Cattle. The answer is C. Cattle. Identify this traffic sign. A. Motor vehicles prohibited. B. No overtaking. C. Motor vehicles except solo motorcycles. The answer is A. Motor vehicles prohibited. If this video is helping you so much, give it a thumbs up. It lets us know you're enjoying it and motivates us to make even more practice videos. The part-time traffic signals ahead sign warns drivers that traffic light operate only at certain times, such as during school hours or peak traffic. This UK traffic sign helps drivers anticipate when they may need to stop, reducing the risk of accidents. Recognizing this sign is essential for the UK driving theory test and understanding UK road signs as outlined in the DVSA Highway Code. It is commonly found in busy UK urban areas, near schools or temporary traffic zones, and the DVLA highlights it as important for safe driving. The steep descent sign warns drivers of a significant downhill gradient ahead. This UK road sign communicates the need to reduce speed and use a lower gear to maintain control. It is commonly found in hilly areas across the UK and is crucial for hazard awareness both on and off the road. Understanding signs like this is tested in the UK driving theory test and included in any comprehensive UK study guide. The DVLA advises drivers to approach with caution to prevent brake overheating. The end of dual carriageway sign tells drivers that a divided road with 2 lanes in each direction will soon merge into a single carriageway. According to the DVSA Highway Code, drivers should prepare for possible changes in speed limits and increased traffic interaction. Found on UK motorways and A roads, it's vital for both safety and smooth merging. The UK driving theory test often includes questions about this sign, and DVLA guidance highlights the need for lane discipline. The road narrows on both sides sign warns that the carriageway ahead will become narrower from both sides, reducing available space. The DVSA Highway Code advises slowing down and being prepared to give way. Found on rural UK roads and in construction zones, it's useful for drivers, cyclists, and farm vehicles off the road. This sign is included in the UK driving theory test, and the DVLA stresses its role in accident prevention. The steep ascent sign indicates a steep uphill climb ahead, warning drivers to prepare for reduced engine power and slower speeds. As explained in the DVSA Highway Code, lower gears should be engaged early. Found in hilly areas of the UK, it is useful for anticipating vehicle strain and fuel consumption. It's tested in the UK driving theory test and UK study guide, with DVLA advice focusing on maintaining steady speed without over-revving. Know someone else looking to boost their road signs knowledge? Share this quiz with them. It could give them the first step they need to master these UK road signs. What does this road sign mean? A. Steep ascent. B. Slippery road. C. Steep descent. The answer is C. Steep descent. Can you identify this traffic sign? A. Part-time traffic signals ahead. B. Traffic signals ahead. C. Traffic sign not in use. The answer is A. Part-time traffic signals ahead sign. Which UK road sign is shown here? A. End of dual carriageway. B. Single lane transition. C. Road narrows on both sides. The answer is A. End of dual carriageway sign. Can you identify the crossroads sign? What is this UK traffic sign? A. Low bridge. B. Narrow underpass. C. Tunnel. The answer is C. Tunnel. What does this UK traffic sign indicate? A. Uneven road. B. Hump bridge. C. Dip sign. The answer is B. Hump bridge. The tunnel sign warns of a tunnel ahead, where lighting, ventilation, and space are restricted. The DVSA Highway Code advises switching on headlights before entry and maintaining a safe following distance. Found on motorways and major UK routes, this sign is useful for both road users and maintenance crews. It is a regular feature in the UK driving theory test, with DVLA safety tips focusing on avoiding overtaking in tunnels. The hump bridge sign indicates a hump-shaped bridge ahead, where visibility and clearance are reduced. The DVSA Highway Code warns of possible restricted view of oncoming traffic. Found in rural UK areas, near canals or rivers, it's also useful off-road for mapping and navigation. Included in the UK driving theory test, this sign is explained in detail in the UK study guide, with DVLA stressing the need for slow approach and caution. The slippery road sign warns that the road surface may cause loss of tire grip. The DVSA Highway Code recommends reducing speed and avoiding sudden steering or braking. Common in icy, wet, or newly resurfaced areas in the UK, it's also a caution for cyclists and motorcyclists off the main roads. The UK driving theory test regularly features this hazard, and the DVLA advises maintaining longer stopping distances. The crossroads sign warns of a junction where another road crosses the main route. As per the DVSA Highway Code, drivers should approach with caution and prepare to give way. Found in rural and urban UK settings, it's useful for all road users and even for mapping purposes off-road. It's tested in the UK driving theory test and covered in the UK study guide, with DVLA advice focusing on right-of-way rules. The side road sign indicates that a minor road joins from the side ahead. The DVSA Highway Code advises watching for merging traffic. Found on both major and rural UK roads, it's also relevant for navigation off-road. The UK driving theory test often includes this sign, and the UK study guide and DVLA emphasize its role in accident prevention and hazard awareness. Can you name this traffic sign? A. End of dual carriageway. B. Road narrows on both sides. C. Dual carriageway ahead. The answer is B. Road narrows on both sides. What does this road sign mean? A. Crossroads. B. T-junction. C. Side road. The answer is C. Side road sign. Can you identify this traffic sign? A. Slippery road. B. Loose chippings. C. Series of bends ahead. The answer is A. Slippery road sign. Identify the hump bridge sign. Identify this UK road sign. A. T-junction. B. Crossroads. C. Side road. The answer is B. Crossroads sign. Guess this road sign. A. Steep descent. B. Steep ascent. C. Slow-moving vehicles. The answer is B. Steep ascent sign. Ready for the final challenge. 20 rapid-fire questions, 5 seconds each. Can you name them all before time runs out? Let's get started. Can you guess this traffic sign? This is the crossroads sign. Can you guess this road sign? It is the hump bridge sign. What is this road sign? steep ascent sign. Can you guess this sign? Right! It is the tunnel sign. Do you recognize this UK road sign? It is the part-time signals ahead sign. What is this traffic sign? Nailed it. It is end of dual carriageway sign. What does this traffic sign mean? It is the side road sign. Identify this road sign. It is the steep descent sign. Name this road sign. Yes, that is the slippery road sign. Can you guess this traffic sign? It is the road narrows on both sides. What is this road sign? This is motor vehicles prohibited sign. Can you identify this traffic sign? That is level crossing with gate ahead sign. Can you name this road sign? Right! It is overhead electrical wires sign. Guess this traffic sign? Yes, that is the speed camera sign. Recognize this road sign. What is it? You're looking at the fire station ahead sign. What does this traffic sign mean? This is the height restriction sign. Name this road sign. That is the Crossbuck sign. What does this traffic sign indicate? Nailed it. It is the cattle sign. Which road sign is this? You guessed right. It is the low-flying aircraft sign. Guess this traffic sign? It shows the Riverbank or Quayside sign. And that brings us to the end of today's session. How did you perform? Share your score in the comments. If this video helped boost your confidence, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss more quizzes.